Hi everyone. So in this video, I'm going to discuss one very frequent question which is asked by the beginners, right? So if you are a repeater or if you are someone who has already started your preparation, then you might think that this question is very trivial or this question is not making much sense. But there are many aspirants who thinks that and who genuinely believe, and I also genuinely believe that yes, this question makes some sense for the students who are just about to start their preparation. And the very frequent question from all of those aspirants that comes often here and there is that how to start the preparation. Okay, so how to start gate preparation, this is the topic of today. Now you might be wondering that is this so important topic? I mean, is this the so important topic that I need to make a video on that, right? But over the time, I realize that yes, this topic is important, and this question is also very genuine. Because when I started my gate preparation, at that point in time, I was having the same question. Similarly, there might be many aspirants having the same question that what is the first step in starting your gate preparation, or what is the first step that you should be doing in the gate preparation. See, there might be multiple and many questions that you might be having in your mind, that how to start gate preparation, whether I should be doing the this subject first or this subject first, or whether I should be doing the PYQs first, or I should be attempting the test series now, or like there are a list of things, right? I mean, or I should be doing the weekly quizzes now, or I should be basically when should I be restarting the revision, and there are many couple of things that you might be having. uh, so I will say that, see, there are pool of questions that you might be having before you start your gate preparation. Now, one very practical advice let me give to you is that do not search the answers of these questions. Okay. See, if you are searching the answers of all of these questions, then it will take a lot of time, and ultimately it might not be that much beneficial. Otherwise, what you can do, okay, other than that, what you can do is that just keep all your questions aside, or just keep all the pool of questions in one bag and keep it aside. Okay, and then just start preparation. Just prepare for 15 days and prepare like you're preparing seriously, which means do not just study 10 minutes 15 minutes because you think that it is just starting. No, take 15 days, take the countdown of the 15 days, or just take the random, like, okay, for example, today is 7th March or 8th March, then just say that, okay, till 20th of March. If not 15 days, then maybe 13 days or 15 days, something like that, you just have in your mind. And just make sure that for the next 15 days you are studying very seriously, you are studying at least 2 to 3 hours per day. Then after 15 days you will get the first hand experience of learning some subject of gate. Okay, after those 15 days you will be getting that, okay, this is how you should study, because you have studied 15 days. Then you will get that, okay, कि चीज़ों को समझना कैसे है, राइट? लेक्चर्स कैसे देखने हैं, तो मैं सारी चीज़ों का एक फर्स्ट हैंड एक्सपीरियंस मिलेगा. And all of your questions, whatever the questions you were having earlier, कि मुझे ऐसे करना है ऐसे करना है, उनका एक रियल में फर्स्ट हैंड एक्सपीरियंस मिलेगा. और फिर आपको समझ में आएगा कि अच्छा ये ऐसे करना है, मतलब आपको ऑटोमेटिकली अपने आंसर समझ में आएंगे. So this might not look like very fancy advice, and might not look very creative advice, might be like boring advice. Okay, but this is very practical, very genuine, and the only advice that I personally give to all the aspirant who ask me the same question. So just study 15 days, you will get to realize everything with the first hand experience. See, if suppose you ask all of these questions now, okay, to someone, like let's suppose you are asking all of these questions to me, that when should I start the revision, when should I do this, what to do, PYQs this, and or like whatever the doubt you have. Okay, suppose you ask me all of these questions currently to me. Suppose I answer all of these questions to you. Okay, suppose you ask me and I answer. In that case, since you have not started the preparation, since you do not know much about gate preparation, you will not be in the sync with me. Okay, you might get it, I mean, you might just sake of understanding, you might get it, but probably you won't be able to get it so deeply, or you won't be able to feel that advice. So that is why I'm saying just spend 15 days, get the first hand experience. You will automatically be serious about the preparation. You will automatically be more serious. You will automatically be more informed. You will automatically be having all the answers of your questions, whatever the questions you are having. At least if not the answers, then you will get to know that how to get the answer. Or in other way, like, you will get to know that if you study in the similar way, then all of the questions will be answered. There is no fancy or there is no hi-fi science or something like that, right? Just a simple advice: keep on studying, and you will get to realize that yes, this is how you should do the preparation. Okay. Again, you might be thinking that question is very trivial, and why I'm making a video on such a trivial and very basic question, that how to start studying, right? But some of the aspirant just waste their 15 to 20 days in answering the question that what is the first step in the preparation. So the first step is to start the preparation for next 15 days. That's all. Okay. And you will automatically very confident after 15 days that you have utilized those 15 days. So best of luck for your gate journey. So thank you for watching.